Titingnan namin yung bahay na may ilaw na. Alam ko marami sa inyo talagang nagre-request na ano ba balita sa Casa Corky.
Masters!
Very good news, guys. Nag-down payment na kami for our kitchen. And guys, it is my ultimate dream kitchen. We've been planning this for so long. Finally got the price. The price is good. Let me just say that. It didn't exceed our budget. There are little tweaks and magic ni Heras and JB. Matutupad na ang aking dream kitchen. Thank you, Itchy. I love you. I love you, Daddy. Oh my gosh, ang ganda.
See you every night after night. Can we forget about time? 'Cause I wanna adore you.
It's huge. It is so big. Vanity corner here. Bagay to kay Heras, guys. Like,
Kulang pala isa.
ay, pala. Habang can rest your arm. Pasensya na po. Sige, bababa na ako. Homework today. Yes, Corky's name. Very good. Corky's doing a good job at school. I saw your scores. You're getting all 8. I am. Paste your picture in the drawing. Huh? Ano daw? What do we have to do, baby? What's your name? Corky. Very good. Let's write your name. Hello, I am Corky. I am a. What is the word? What is yes? What is this word? What's that? Very good. You read that. Okay. Draw your face there. 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 What about a smiley face? Smiley face. Do a smile. Good job, baby! Guys, look at he has a huge scar in the middle. Then he put eyes and a smiley face. Good job, baby! Good job! What's my name? Anong B? No, my name. Mommy's name. E. What's mommy's name? Nicole. Again. Nicole. What's my name? Okay. What letter is that? Oh, very good. What's this one? L. Very good. What letter is that? E. What's this one? Very good. That's mommy's name. Can you draw mommy's face? Wow, I have big eyes. Draw my smiley face. Oh, I'm not smiling. I'm serious. Huh? I'm not smiling. Corky is smiling, but mommy is frowning. Huh? That's not a smiley face. I want to smile. Can you make it smiley, please? Where's my nose? Draw me my nose. Use this. I want this color. I want the color red to be my nose. That's me, guys. There we go. I have a weird nose and no pupils and I'm frowning. Good job, baby. Talagang mahal na mahal mo ko. Okay. Ang pangit niya. Pero it's okay. Give her more hair. Come on, give her more hair. There. Cookie. Ang pangit niya. Guys, this is his version of a girl. That's Corky's girl. Cookie. Black. Okay. Draw a boy. Draw a boy. You know what? We're gonna make the girl's hair longer. Because they look alike. They look like twins. Come on. Longer. Okay, guys. Are you ready to see Corky's homework? Did a good job. We're done with homework. Kiss Mama. Misa. Misa. Wow! Oh my gosh, you look so handsome, Corky. Yeah, what's that? Bottle. What color are your pants? Black. Yes, very good. Wow! Get that boy. Huh? What is this called? Barong. Barong. Wow, Cookie! Look at that. You know you're handsome, huh? You know it. Where are you going? School. What are you wearing? Huh? What are you wearing? Barong. Uy, sus.
Pudi-pudi ako ng barong-barong hindi. Barong-barong yan. Barong. Barong-barong. Pudi-pudi ang manyang pogi ka.
Are you ready, baby? Can I see? Let me see. Uy, sus. You guys want taho? Sakto, talagang on theme yung buwan ng wika. May taho. Yep.
Wow, ang sarap.
Kaya mo yan.
Ang bag niya.
Ando, ginawa lang yan, te. Ah, okay. Sige, mga 11:45. Ano?
Anong tama sa'yo?
Parang may ADHD ako pag ano.
ADHD.
Hi, JB. For the vlog.
Hi!
His classic hi. Basta marami kaming agenda. It's a busy day today. So, inantok kami ni Mark. Kanina pa kami gising. Cheers, guys. Come with us again. Lightsaber. Yeah, it is naman. Ganda, no? Ganda nga rin eh. Oh. Sobrang liwanag na ng bahay. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, oo. Magkano yan? Like the black. That one's nice. Dope. May bubbles. Hello guys! Gabing-gabi na and it's for a reason. Titingnan namin yung bahay na may ilaw na. Alam ko marami sa inyo talagang nagre-request na ano ba balita sa Casa Corky ba't di namin binavlog, di namin pinapakita. Hindi namin sinasadya na gawin yon. It's just that marami akong ipon na kinunan na vlog footages nung nandito yung parents ko, nung bakasyon nila dito. Tsaka dami din nangyari kasi Corky nag-school na and nag-therapy na siya. So marami din akong dinocument na gusto kong mauna yung mga yon. Nasa finishing stage na yung bahay. Kailangan tutukan talaga. Minsan nakakalimutan ko lang mag-vlog. But we're always there at the site and I always forget vlogging kasi dami kong tinatanong, ang dami na nilang tinatanong sa akin. Wala na. Nawala na yung train of thought. Wow, train of thought.
What?
I'm with my Ichi.
Hello? Parang kinukuha ka ng ano ah. Liwanag ah.
sa Commonwealth na kami. Hindi namin sinama si Corky, syempre, kasi umuulan na, gabi na. Hindi pa binibless yung bahay. Medyo kaya pa namin siya dalhin doon ng gabi. Current status of the house, yes, may ilaw na siya. Guys, may ilaw na yung loob niya, yung facade, may ilaw na rin. And I know they're working on lights sa lanay and sa mga sides ng bahay. From what I know from last week, they're working on waterproofing the pool because they need to put tiles na. Nandun na yung halos lahat naka-tiles na. Yung lanay, nagta-tiles na sila. And kaya wina-waterproof na yung pool kasi lalagyan na rin ng tiles doon. We have very good news, guys. Nag-down payment na kami for our kitchen. Our architect, si JB, he finally got the quote ba tawag doon? Ano ba tawag doon? Basta yon, quotation pala yon, quotation ng aming kitchen, main kitchen. Thank goodness, guys, abot sa budget. Actually, hindi siya umabot. Hindi pa. Wait, ano ba ang gulo?
Oh, look at this.
What?
Look at, yung bagyo.
I know.
Ito
That's blessings. Thank you, Lord. Lumabas na yung computation ng aming main kitchen. And guys, it is my ultimate dream kitchen. Talaga. Itong kitchen na project na ginagawa namin. We've been planning this for so long and we finally got the price. The price is good. Let me just say that. It's very good. It didn't exceed our budget.
Oh, really?
Actually, hindi siya. We expected this specific budget for our kitchen, right? Wala pa siya doon sa expected or sa minax out namin na budget for it. So, mas mababa pa yung price niya. So, meaning, marami pa kaming na-save na money kasi hindi ganun kataas yung binigay na price namin for the Dream Kitchen. And it's because of discounts, it's also because of JB also, our architect, na maraming connections. I'm just so happy. That was the big news that happened last week. Tomorrow, actually, we're gonna give a down payment na para ma-start na i-cut yung mga boards. Cut na yung mga boards. Yeah, basta I don't want to say too much about the kitchen kasi I'm really leaving that for a surprise. Gusto kong pag naka-assemble na or pag nag-assemble na siya, dun ko na ipapakita sa inyo. But it's really funny kasi ginawa talaga ni Mark yan. In-effort niya magkasya lahat.
What?
Kasi I cried hindi naman nag-cry ako. Pero sobrang na-frustrate ako kasi akala ko. Kasi we were expecting so much of this kitchen. Kasi ayaw naman magyabang. Pero hindi siya kasi puchi-puchi na kitchen. Okay? It's actually a high-quality kitchen. Sa lahat ng bagay sa bahay, in budget kami. Pero there are specific things in the house na talagang sinave namin yung money mag-invest ng magagandang high-quality products. And one of those places is the kitchen. I think it's really worth it to invest in your kitchen kasi it's the heart of the home. It's where everybody is always at. Always doing something there. It has to be sturdy. Kailangan through the test of time ka-survive siya, di ba? Nung una kasi parang hindi kaya ng budget. But after little tweaks and magic ni Heras and JB, matutupad na ang aking dream kitchen. Grabe. So, yun yung good news, guys. Pag nakita nyo mami yung site, wala pang kitchen dyan. But, dirty kitchen, papakita ko na sa inyo. The dirty kitchen is very simple. There's nothing high quality there. I really like it. It's just how I imagined a dirty kitchen would be. Yeah, we're almost there at the house. Thank you, Itchy. I love you. I love you, Daddy.
Okay.
You're making my house dreams come true.
What?
Along with Nana and Papa Lo. And Tito Romel. Isa pang laking tulong talaga si Tito Romel. Grabe. Talagang he's putting all the hard work in it. Nabilib ako sa kanila ni JB and Tito Romel.
Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. 아주 멋쟁이 넌 하루 종일 세상 혼자 사는 듯이 그래.
Guys, it's currently raining. I can't show you the facade of the house. We have this roof thingy na. Yeah. So not all the lights are on yet. Let's go inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is our laundry room. Oh my god! This is our dirty kitchen. Right here. Yan. Those are the cabinets. Tapos, naka-tiles lang siya. And we have these. Bababa ko muna yung gamit ko. Hello! Good evening po! Dito ko muna ilagay yung gamit ko. Wow! Oh my gosh! Ang ganda!
Lipat na ako, boy. Lipat na ako.
Gee, look at the stairs.
Boy, nakikita ko yung bintana. Malaking bintana. Kulang lang isa eh.
You guys didn't see this last time. This is our accent wall for the living room. It's one of my favorite pieces. It's like a 3D design kind of tile. Yeah. It looks like 3D. I don't really know how to describe it. Pero mga maliliit siyang tiles na ano. And it's for the salas. The air cons are installed na. Those are all the lights. And this wall is an accent wall din. It's not finished yet. May kulang pa dito na tiles. You'll see later on. But this is for the TV. This is the door. It's a huge door. We already have a lock installed na hindi pa namin pinapost. Actually, sponsored itong lock na to. But we haven't posted yet because the door isn't finished. Ikukulay pa yan eh. Hindi pa tapos. It's not color white. This is just the primer color. And this is the design. This is black. Hindi pa tapos yung kulay talaga niya. So, yeah, but it's huge. It's really big and heavy. This is the color of our doors. And this is color, kulay black to. Pero tinakpan muna namin kasi nga hindi pa tapos. Pero itong kulay na to, ito yung maging kulay ng aming door dyan. First bedroom. All the installed lights and our tiles. And the bed, bathroom. This isn't finished yet. But yeah. It's its own toilet and bath. This is the powder room. We added a little accent wall there and I'm so excited to show you the sink we have here and the toilet. It's covered pa. Hindi pa makikita talaga yung design yet. It's not finished yet. But this is it so far. And then that's the exhaust that we're gonna put. This is the powder room for guests. This is where obviously the main kitchen will be. And then, ayan na. Ito na yung dining area. Installed na yung aming aircon. This is another accent wall. I chose this for the dining area and it's one of my favorite. Hindi mo pa siya talaga makikita kasi marami pang works but it's one of my favorite pieces of the house. Ewan ko, ang tawag ko dito, Statue of Liberty. Ang tawag ni Mommy sa kanya, Jade. Tawag naman ni Mark sa kanya, Kryptonite. Because depende sa araw at sa lighting, nag-iiba talaga yung kulay nito. Ang ganda talaga, grabe. It's so nice. Especially with the kitchen we have in mind and the dining table we're planning to buy. And here is the lanai. Yes, the tiles are installed na. Oh my gosh. May tile works na yun. Oh my god. And there's the pool. Wala pang lights dito, so I'm not gonna show you that yet. Pwede na ba tumapak dito? Hindi pa. Pwede. Ayan. Our lanai is pretty big and it is covered. We don't have to worry about rain and, we can stay here as long as you want. And I feel like I really like the design of this. A sliding door here and a sliding door there. This area is like both the enjoyment of being outdoors and still having that feel of you're inside the house. So it's like an extension of the house. And of course, you know, yung aking asawa ay fisherist. Alam mo naman manaming aquarium to. And I just really made sure that this area was livable and super spacious because we love being outdoors and having a backyard, you know, enjoyment. The lights here are gonna be so nice. Even the lights here in the pool and even here in the sides, I chose the light for that. So it's gonna be so nice. I'll take you to our stairs. This is the biggest window we have in the house. Grabe guys. Sobrang mahal ng bintanang to. Pero it's worth it. It's huge. It is so big. It goes all the way up there. What's funny is I call the stairs Stairway to Heaven because if you go here, I'll show you guys soon in the vlog, but pag daytime dito or morning, ang liwanag, grabe, sobrang liwanag niya. So when you're going upstairs, it's like, it gets quiet, it gets so bright. Parang pupunta ka na sa langit talaga. It's one of the biggest investments we made was this huge window. I'm not gonna put curtains on this. Anything like this should not be covered. It's humongous. This is the masters. Yan, naalala niyo ba to? Yan. Kung napanood niyo yung birthday vlog ko, dito kami nag-celebrate. May ilaw na siya. And this isn't finished yet. There are still 1, 2, and a light here for the master's bedroom. Ayan, ito na yung balcony. Good yan. Ay, wala pa palang ilaw to. Wala pa. Oo. This is our walk-in. Right here. Walk-in closet. Na may malaking window right here. It's a corner window. Another window. There's so many windows in this house. I made sure it had the best light in the whole entire house because of this window right here. Because obviously I'll be here most of the time in my little vanity corner here. Kilig. This is our... Ichi, show our masters.
Masters.
Bagay na bagay to kay Heras, guys.
Bakit?
Like,
Kulang ka na isa.
ay, hala. Wait, still under construction, guys. May kulang pang isa. This is the shower. It's not finished yet. Like, there's still so much to do. But there are lights now. And grabe, guys, I just love the color tone of our bathroom or everywhere around the house. It's warm white. It's nothing cold. Sobrang gusto ko siya kasi alam mo naman, vlogger ako. Kailangan maganda yung lighting lagi, even sa gabi. It just feels so homey and cozy. But yeah, here's the tiles to that. Obviously, wala pa yung mga sink, guys. That's a big surprise. I invested on those sinks. So, this is the toilet. Toilet na may ganyan pa. I don't know. I don't know. It was part of the design na may ganyan. I don't know what I'm gonna put there. It's an armrest. I mean, tingnan mo. Diba? This is the toilet. So, habang you can rest your arm. Yeah, I'll figure it out. I don't know what to put there. But obviously, dito. Yan. Ito yung shower area. Yan. Dyan na yung mga ano namin. Yeah, guys. So, that's the master's toilet and bath. And then it goes here into the walk-in. Whoops. Okay. May nagti-TikTok dito. Over there. We have another window. And
Sige,
and I'm just showing. This is Quirky's room right here. Again, full of windows. Full of windows here. Again, there, and then another bedroom here. There we go. Kailangan ko na umalis. Pasensya na po. Sige, mababa na ako. Yan o. So I made sure yung dirty kitchen namin, maraming space for cabinetry. Sakto pala eh.
Oo.
Oo.
Ayan, parehas. Tapos,
Sobra.
Tapos dito, puti.
Oo.
White dito.
Yeah.
Sobra tayong white.
Oo. Hindi lang halata ha. Pero saan galing tong tiles na to? Some of the tiles you're gonna see here, like this one, ano lang yan, mga extra. Extra sa... Ito kasi yung tiles na ginamit for other parts of the house. So, may mga extra. So, imbis na bibili pa kami, we just use that para makasave ng money and it works out so nice.
Parang siya.
Oo. Nakaka-save pa kami ng Fira, alam mo na. There. Tapos, ito, extra kitchen space. Dito yung second refrigerator namin. This is the laundry room. Yan, may sarili din siyang sink. Yan yung laundry labahan. Yung refrigerator. Sink. Then, space, cabinetry. And then, this is the stove, our gas stove oven. And then dito sa corner, we're just gonna put an extra table with chairs para may extra working area, extra tambayan. If the helpers, they want to stay here and tambay, eat, whatever, they have all the space anyway. Actually, we don't know what we're gonna do with this corner yet. Kasi yung gas range dito, bigay lang yun ng GMA. Nakuha namin yun ng Christmas party. And it's small lang. It's only a 4-burner gas stove. But it has this, pero meron siyang sariling oven. This is the maid's room. And then the own toilet and bath ng CR. It's also the first CR that's ever been in full operation na in the house. Yes, pag nandito kami, dito kami nagsi-CR. Maid's room right here with its own window. And in the future, I'm planning to put an aircon din, a small window type lang na aircon para lang malamig lang sila. Kasi yung mga helpers ko, yung mga aking mga mamahal sa buhay, they don't mind having a small space because it's actually not big, it's not small itong area na to. But syempre, it's all that we could provide for them para ma-maximize talaga yung bahay. And they don't mind that at all. Pero alam ko yung saan gusto ko silang relax sila and komportable sila. And malagyan ko lang ng aircon yan. I think they're gonna be happy. But I'm gonna do that next year na kasi it's starting to get cold naman na here. We're entering the Burr months na. And dito sa ground floor, napakalamig ng bahay. Napakalamig. Actually, both floors are cold. I don't know. I don't know what it has to do with siguro sa design ng bahay, yung circulation. I don't know, but this whole house is cold. It's really cold. Even nung summer. Yeah, obviously it's hot, pero manageable. You're not gonna look for aircon, you know. I'm talking too much. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is the CR for the lanay. Yan. CR sa lanay. Then, this is the pool. Then, connecting yan doon sa lanay kanina. Parang pag nag-swimming or syempre basang-basa ka, you don't need to go inside the house to use the CR. You can just go straight here para wala nang istorbo sa loob ng bahay. Kasi going inside the house wet, nakakasira yan ng tiles, ng flooring. It's a hassle, it gets messy. So, it's just better to have a CR outside. For those who are wondering, ilan yung CR namin? 6. Masters, Quirky's bathroom, powder room, guest house bathroom, maid's room bathroom, and lanay bathroom. 6. We have 6. And this is our pantry. Wow, that was an ugly way to say pantry. But this is the pantry, guys. I can fit so many things in here. Lalo na kami, mahilig sa chichirya, mahilig mag-snacks, and a lot, any space that we could use, we will grab. And wala pa siyang door. But yeah, it's just in the middle of the dirty kitchen and the main kitchen. Easy access for me, for the helpers. We have a pantry closet. Magkakaroon din kami ng pantry cabinet somewhere here. It's a part of the kitchen. This is where the sink will be. Yun, sabihin ko yan. I specifically requested that because I like to wash dishes. Gusto ko habang naghuhugas ako, may view. So, kunwari, nagsiswimming si Corky. Yan, that's your view. Pero, syempre, yung view ngayon ay hindi maganda. There are pin lights sa baba. So, it's shining, shimmering, splendid. I really love the dirty kitchen. I've always wanted a dirty kitchen that's not dirty. It doesn't have that dirty vibe to it na, as we all know how a dirty kitchen is here in the Philippines. Because I also want to spend time here. Like, I want to really make this an extension of the main kitchen. Really do the dirty works here. And since nandito rin yung gas stove namin, kasi sa main kitchen induction, dito yung gas. I also wanted this kitchen to have to also be an extension of the house. It's not something that's outdoors. It's still roofed. Yun, as you can see, it's still a part of the roof of the house. It has a ceiling and I can feel free to fry or cook anything without the whole house smelling. Yeah, I don't want to make this kasi a kitchen where I'm not gonna be in this kitchen at all. I want to be involved in the dirty kitchen. So I really made sure na aesthetic. Na aesthetic pa rin siya. This is the harap, guys. But yeah, I do have plans, guys. Huwag mo isipin na puro tiles and cemento itong bahay. This part here, this part, that part, and then over there, yung buong sides na yan, yung nakita nyo sa side ng lanay kanina. We are gonna put plants and everywhere in the house, even outside and in the lanay, maglalagay pa kami ng mga plants doon na nakapot na. Pero this part here, ito yung may lupa talaga. And even there. There are some that are gonna be lupa and then the majority will be potted plants na. I also wanna put bamboo. Wala na yung wall dito na sinabing Corky, if you guys remember. But we are gonna plan to put grills there. And yeah, hindi pa tapos, ipapolish pa yan yung walls na yan. Yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much it that I wanna show you.